Hey, what's up people, this is Ajeesh Nair and you're watching TheRealMenShow. Welcome back to our channel. Everybody has told you how to style your hair, which product to use and how to use it. But nobody has told you how to remove that product from your hair. We all know that anything that is not natural applied to your hair is harmful for it, which causes hair brittleness, hair dryness and some major hair problems. So today we will tell you how to remove hair product from your hair without damaging it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Using hairstyling product is a quick way to style your hair, but leaving it longer on your hair can cause hair damage. So always remember to clean it off before going to bed. There are two types of hairstyling product. One is water soluble and other one is water insoluble. Water soluble doesn't require much efforts. All you have to do is to wash it off with a lukewarm water. And for water insolubles, you have to follow these three steps. Wash your hair with lukewarm water. Step number 2. Apply conditioner and leave it for at least 3 minutes and wash it off. Step number 3. Towel dry your hair and do not use hair dryer. So this was it guys, this is how you remove hairstyling product from your hair safely and without damaging it. If you like this content, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon. I will meet you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, take care, namaste.